Join us as we share our simple secret teriyaki recipe that will make your chicken dish absolutely irresistible, better than store-bought. Hi.
Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn how to create a delicious homemade teriyaki sauce that's perfect for chicken any night. Many people rely on store-bought sauces that are full of preservatives and lack authentic flavor. Have you ever wondered what's in those bottles? As you can see, we have some ingredients, but you might be surprised to find out that many commercial teriyaki sauces have high fructose corn syrup, artificial flavorings, and other unpronounceable ingredients that don't belong in your kitchen. Not to mention, they all often have a strange artificial sheen to them that's not appetizing. We've tried on lazy nights and it's just no good. So we make homemade teriyaki sauce.
Authentic-ish.
Simple, very simple. What if I told you that making your own teriyaki sauce from scratch is incredibly easy and only requires a simple few ingredients? Sorry, guys, my words. But you can avoid all those nasty additives and preservatives and enjoy a sauce that's not only delicious, but healthy-ish and authentic. Healthy-ish? I don't know about healthy-ish, but it's good. That's about a cup of sugar right there.
Ain't got no healthiest going on here.
But by making your own sauce, you're in control of the ingredients, the flavors, which means you can tailor it to your taste preferences. So another benefit of making your own teriyaki sauce is that it's cost effective. You can buy ingredients in bulk and make a large batch of sauce that will last you for weeks. And let's not forget about the flavor. Homemade teriyaki sauce has a depth and richness that store-bought sauces just can't replicate. So let's go through the key ingredients that you'll need for this teriyaki sauce, along with step-by-step instructions on how to prepare it. And don't worry if you're new to cooking. This recipe is super easy to follow, and I'll guide you through the way. You'll need
Soy sauce. Sugar in a bowl. Garlic.
minced,
Minced.
garlic and ginger. You can use fresh or powder.
And this is ginger powder.
And I have green onions we're going to add as well, but we'll grab them out of the fridge when we're ready. And these ingredients aren't exotic at all. Everyone has soy sauce in their grocery stores, or Asian markets in your area, or Amazon. That's where we buy our favorite soy sauce.
Aloha.
Aloha brand, or shoyu. Call it shoyu.
Shoyu.
Soy sauce. Shoyu. So we kind of just went through the ingredients, but you'll need 1 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, or half a teaspoon of powdered ginger. Normally 1 large garlic clove is okay, but I put 2 because we like ginger and garlic. And then as much green onions as you want, chopped, and then chicken breast. Or you can use whatever chicken you want, but we do breast. It's healthier, it's leaner. So I guess that's the healthy part of it. We don't have all the skin and the fat and all of that stuff.
Don't try to justify that. That's a cup of sugar. This is not healthy.
So first you want to prep the chicken, leave it whole, slice it up, and add it to a ziplock bag. I've tenderized mine a little bit just to flatten it out a little bit more. But just regular ziplock bag will do. And then all you do is mix all the other ingredients together until the sugar is mostly dissolved. And I will let my husband here, my lovely assistant husband, do the work.
I don't have a sore throat or nothing. I just ain't getting no words in today.
So 1 cup of sugar, ginger.
That's
Oh,
best whiskey in the world. Doesn't fit in this cup.
does it? Doesn't it?
Okay.
and the green onions. Just mix it all, and we're going to mix it until the sugar is mostly dissolved. So I don't know if you can see it, but as you mix it, the sauce just starts coming together, transforming simple ingredients into a rich, glossy glaze. As you whisk the sauce, you'll notice it'll start to thicken because of the sugar, and it's just a beautiful dark brown color. That's the magic.
Magic.
And can you smell it?
Oh, yeah, I can smell it.
I can smell it. I like ginger and garlic, and I like everything that's in there. So, and you know what's also good? We like to do it on chicken, but is it done already? Is it pretty much whisked together? And you have to whisk it for a little bit just to make sure it's all combined. But this sauce, you'll be tempted to just drizzle it on everything, from chicken and vegetables, noodles. And the best part is it's incredibly versatile. You can use it as a marinade, dipping sauce, or even a glaze for your favorite grilled meats. And we do chicken just because it's leaner, but the best thing is if you do it with some steak. Teriyaki beef is what they would call it.
On the grill.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and you know, I really wish that they sold teriyaki burgers everywhere. In Hawaii, I miss teriyaki burgers from McDonald's. I know that's really bad. That might sound bad, but they're delicious.
They are.
And I think they do it in Japan too, right?
They do, yeah.
So as you whisk the sauce, you'll notice it's getting thicker and thicker, and that's exactly what you want. The sugar is probably mostly dissolved now. So what we're going to do is we're just going to add it to our Ziploc bag, and it's going to coat the chicken. We're going to marinate it. That's how we're using it today, is we're going to marinate it. And the nice thing about this is you can marinate it for just 30 minutes and then throw it on a grill, throw it on a pan. And you can save some of it to brush it on after the last few minutes of grilling or frying or baking. Most of the time, we marinate overnight just because it gives it a lot more depth of flavor. But either way, the result is still deliciously glazed chicken that's sure to impress. So let's just summarize the process, benefits of making your own sauce. Making your own teriyaki sauce, you're avoiding artificial preservatives and additives, and you're in control of the flavors and ingredients. If you don't like a lot of ginger, cut that back. It's easy, cost-effective, and the result is a sauce that's truly delicious and authentic. So we're going to pour this in here, and then we're going to stick it in the fridge to marinate.
I'm going to make a mess.
No, you won't. They'll go.
Okay.
So I'm just going to put it in the bag. I'm going to massage the chicken a little bit. And put it on a plate just because I don't want it to leak in the fridge. But just make sure the chicken is in the sauce. And as you can see, I could probably put more chickpeas in here. But all right, so that's going to marinate, and then we're going to cook it up.
All right. Boil her up and get this bad boy started.
We're using our Ninja Sizzle indoor grill. It smokes a little bit, but not like to set off any alarms or anything, so should be good. Grilled up or grilled up? Oiled up?
Oiled up.
Oiled up.
Get them on there.
There's 3 pieces in here. Woo!
I hate such on this thing.
And then you can just throw this away.
She done.
She done. A little taste test.
She says little. We'll see. Cool. All right.
Just a little piece of chicken and a little bit of rice.
Oops. Chin.
Oh, not sticky rice. My bad.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, great. Ginger, garlic, soy sauce, all the things
All
are
the things.
melting in my mouth.
All the things. So as always, comes out great. Great flavor. We like our teriyaki sauce the way that we made it. Again, adjust it to however you like it. You might have to give it a couple of tries, but definitely give it a shot. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this one. Thanks for sticking around.
Bye.